Iqoo Neo 10 Pro, which is going to release on the December 22nd. So let's gonna talk about this mobile in this video. This mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of 144 Hz refresh rate. It's a Dolby Vision supported HDR+ supported display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass V+. And when we talk about this mobile processor, it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9400, which is a flagship processor. And this processor is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. This also comes with a lot of 5G bands, like up to 9 5G bands this mobile comes with. When we talk about the memory storage variants, this mobile available in 8GB RAM 128 and 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. These are like UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. When we talk about this mobile's camera, this mobile comes with a great camera setup, that is a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, and a 32 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera. And this mobile comes with a lot of features, like this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features, and NFC also. This mobile comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And also this mobile comes with a huge battery, that is a 5160 mAh of battery, and it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire and charger included in the box of this mobile, which is missing in a lot of flagship mobiles. And by the way, this mobile doesn't come with any wireless or reverse wireless charging features, and it's just a wide charging mobile. That is a UFS Type-C 3.2 Gen port, so we can also use it as a Thunderbolt port. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile build quality, it's a complete metal and glass build. Frame is a metal frame and front and back is a glass. Frame is a metal frame and front and back is a glass build. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a IP68 water and dust resistant feature also. So finally, when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile available in different colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. By the way, this mobile also comes with we can also expect this mobile to be released by the 22nd December 2024, by this year end. And when we talk about this mobile's price, this mobile will be priced at 39,000 rupees, like 38,000 almost 39,000 rupees. So this is the price range of this mobile, starting price range. So it's a great mobile if it releases that price range exactly. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase this mobile and subscribe.